Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's see what's happening with gold today. Right. It's the analysis for 20th of July 2023. Let's see what happened today, 19th, which is previous trading day, 19th of July. And Dixie, what did Dixie done today? But the first of all, news. The news was negative. So all the three news were negative. And considering the news were negative, Dixie should have come down, but Dixie went to the upside. You can see the daily chart. And hence there were no much effect on gold for the news side of the things. We were at this level as well. So there was a rejection from this level. And what the gold done, these are the levels which I drawn yesterday, and you can see the gold. If you followed my levels, you must have benefited from it. And here's a daily chart, and gold made this rejection candle from the downside, and it's kind of evening star, if you like, in daily. So market went up and then came down. How the gold worked today, 19th of which is last trading day, 19th of July. And the level I drawn, you can see that once those levels were broken, you had a good trade to the upside. And further breaking into the smaller time frame, you could have good trades at this level and this level as well. And also to the downside, this was a good trade. You don't have to catch all the pips, just a few pips, 5 or 10 pips is the best strategy once you have good confirmation, and then you have low risk for that kind of trade. But if you hold your trades, you have to manage the trades for a longer time. So it depends how you trade. It's really the matter of everybody's taste, how they like trading, to do the trading. Okay, right. Let me remove these levels now. Let's draw some new levels. And this is a 1 hour chart. Dixie is rejecting. Let's see what's happening in 1 minute. Seems it's not moving. Some reason why Dixie chart is not moving. Let's find a different broker. Let's check my demo trading account. Some reason this is not moving. This is my demo account. I just practice different strategies on this before I move on to the real account. So I suggest all of you should have a demo account. For some reason, there's no movement in Dix. Yes, there is some now, looks like. Yes, it has. No, no, there's no movement on, for whatever reason. Dixie chart is not moving. Anyway, we'll do what we have to do. Carry on with our analysis. Let me see if this analysis is up to date. Yes, gold is moving. That's all we need, really. Let me draw some levels. Because this candle is bearish candle, is evening star or shooting star, whatever you call it. I don't worry about names in too much, but this is bearish candle. So what can happen now? This is the level, and we can expect in daily these levels to be respected when the market moves. Let's go in 4 hour. 4 hour, we can see this. And in 1 hour. In 1 hour, you can see this rejection. This is the area where this zone where we could buy, look for, it's a ranging zone. We can look for buy and sell trade. However, if this zone is broken, we may see some heavy movement, especially if it's broke to the upside. As you can see, then this the next target will be this. And if it moves to broken to the downside, then next target could be this one. So let's see. This is not clear. Things are not clear until we see some breakout. However, you can trade a smaller time frame, different scalping trades on 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Buy trade here, sell trade here, sell, buy. With smaller stop loss, sell, sell. So there's different trade setups you can find in smaller trades. As long as your risk to reward ratio is good, I'm sure it will be beneficial. So I'll leave it to this, and I hope this is helpful. And you have a good day. Good night. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.